Eric Brown here with XLR Toy Haulers. Here to show you the new and redesigned 3016 Hyperlite. This year, all redesigned, all new decor. We did something a lot different as far as a travel trailer toy hauler is concerned. We put your generator up front, 6,000 watt generator, pull start. We hid your LP bottles and went ahead and you have access to all your mechanicals like your furnace, your water heater, and everything with that's concerned. Really cleaned up the front end, new cap. But one thing that we really have, which is not common with the travel trailer toy haulers, you have a fifth wheel like pass through. All the way through, lots of storage, gives you something you don't normally have. Coming back here, this floor plan features a 16-foot garage, wide open space. We have the 3 Seasons door out to the patio. Nice Euro chairs, comfortable. Plenty of seating for you and all your friends. And we even built in a hidden pantry. So to give you even more storage, something that's, again, not common in a travel trailer toy hauler. The other nice feature here is come on up here to the bedroom. Step up in a completely different space. One thing you'll notice is we did go with the square windows this year, so all your shades are built in. Nice hardwood trim built around, keeping it clean, no valances, no pull down shades, just giving it a complete different look. 2 ACs on this unit, 2 15,000 BTUs, all LED ceiling lights that are dimmable throughout the entire coach. We do have a French door refrigerator, plenty of room, nice pull-out drawer. This is exactly what you need to bring along your friends, have an entertainment coach, whether you have a toy or not, or if you're just looking at a bunkhouse or bringing along 8 or 9 friends, this is the coach for you. Brought to you this year, all redesigned by XLR.